Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I'm still recovering from being really ill, but I sort of like powered through it because my boyfriend was here, so it didn't really look like I was that ill probably, but I've really been suffering with some sort of like, there must be some sort of virus going around at the minute because I've never felt that bad since like freshers flu in first year. So yeah, my throat's still super closed up, which is why I'm talking a bit quieter than I usually do. But yeah, I've just been getting ready this morning. It's Tuesday. I only have 1 hour today, which is good because I don't think I could like tackle a full day of lectures when I feel like this. But I've only got 1 hour. I think it's my professional practice module, I want to say, which is relatively easy. Not easy, but it's just sort of like basic things. It's nothing too intricate, so it should be okay to follow. So I'm just gonna get ready. I'm just gonna get my bag ready and then head to uni with Hattie, and then I will chat to you when I get back. So I'm now back home. I just had a lecture on peer review, so literally just reviewing a piece of work that had already been done and just picking out anything that didn't like match up or wasn't valid against a checklist, so it wasn't too strenuous. So I'm now home. I'm just about to have a snack and then get on with some notes that I need to be doing and getting on with. I'll probably do some reading first actually, because I need to get this book read because it's going to be one of my references for my case review that I need to embed into my work that I've already done. So yeah, I might get reading first actually whilst I'm snacking and then get on with my notes and stuff. So yeah, let's decide what snack I'm going to have. I'm not really sure. I think I'm definitely going to have some fruit and then one of the snacks I got from my Muscle Foods thing. So actually, before I just carry on, I thought I'd explain the muscle food thing a little bit more, because I didn't think I explained it too intimately in my last video when I unboxed everything. So Muscle Food, I'm working with Muscle Food. They've sent over a massive package. I'll leave that vlog down below in case you haven't watched it, but honestly the things they sent were incredible. Like everything I've tried so far I've really enjoyed. I'm going to be making one of their meals tonight as well, my peri peri chicken and roasted vegetables, which I'm super excited about because I don't get cooking enough at uni, like properly cooking. Like I'm usually just like, oh, I'll make some pasta or shove something in the oven. So it's actually going to be really beneficial for my uni life and helping me cook for the future, obviously. Because I'm not a good cook at all, so I'm going to be following the instructions and stuff on the packet. It's all in great, like everything's all in these really cool packets and stuff, so if you want to go see everything I got from my Muscle Foods thing, you can go watch that vlog. But there are so many things you can choose from. You pay like a certain fee every month. I think there's 3 different packages you can go for, and obviously the more expensive package, the more you're getting for your money essentially. But I have the 5-day meal plan at the minute. I'll leave all the plans down below, but I actually have a discount code, so if you want to get £5 off your order, then you can use Charlotte5, and I'll leave that code down below in case anyone forgets it. But yeah, you get £5 off, and and essentially I think the package that I've got, you're essentially paying £2 per meal, which is obviously super good in comparison to like if you're buying a takeaway out, or if you're buying like the components of something, it probably wouldn't be that cheap. So I think it's really good value for money, and although it may seem expensive, like looking at it, you're actually also getting your whole meal plan, you're getting all of your meals and snacks for the week, and then on top of that you're getting a DVD for all your exercises. So if you don't have time to go to the gym, or you don't feel comfortable going to the gym, you have all of your exercises at home on this disc, as well as all your food for the week. So I think it's really good value for money in that sense, as well as like obviously helping you achieve your goals. So like I said before, you have different meal plans that you can choose. If you want to get ripped, get toned, or just lose weight, there are different meal plans for you, and they'll like help and guide you through the whole thing. The package is just so great for what you're getting. So yeah, I definitely recommend going and checking them out, and then like I said, you can use my discount code if it's something that you think it will be beneficial for you. So yeah, I'm gonna have a look at what snacks I want to get. I'm gonna have some pineapple first, I think, and then snack on something. I'll tell you if it's any good. I think I might have, I think I might have this cookie. It looks so good. It's the Oatine Oats and Protein cookie with white chocolate chips and blueberry. So I'm very excited to try this. I'll let you guys know what I think of it, but I picked up some really cool sweet snacks because I'm definitely a sweet person over savoury. So yeah, snacks have been amazing so far. I've obviously been snacking a lot more, and I'll definitely be showing you my meals that I've cooked with them, or like some of my breakfast and stuff. I've got some blueberry pancakes which I'm thinking about making tomorrow morning or maybe Thursday morning when I've got a little bit more time. So yeah, over the next few vlogs I'll be showing you all of the different meals that I'm cooking and making and snacking on, and giving you a little bit of a review so that you guys know if I recommend them or not. Wow. This is unreal. Oh my god. Right, so I've just come upstairs and done my skincare. It is a lot later. Since I was doing work, I fell asleep on the sofa. I think because I feel like it's because I still feel really ill that I'm like lacking in energy. Like I just feel so drowsy and I don't know, I just feel not myself. So I think that's why I fell asleep on the sofa for like a couple of hours of just taking my makeup off because it felt so horrible when I woke up with all that makeup on. So I'm feeling fresh, like my skin feels really nice now, which is good. I've just been editing for, like I've just started editing literally, and then I just thought, pick the camera up and inform you of what's happened. Because I don't usually take naps during the day now because it usually makes me feel worse and then I can't sleep at night and whatever. So I was trying to refrain myself from falling asleep, but I literally couldn't even keep my eyes open downstairs. So yeah, that happened. I'm gonna just do some editing for a little bit and then carry on reading this book. It's actually really interesting, but it was horrible reading it earlier a little bit on my own because the situation that I'm reading about is basically a case that I just found really interesting, and the whole book's based on it. But like from what they were explaining about like a guy breaking into the house and stuff, like I was in the house on my own, and like, everything it was explaining, it was like currently happening whilst I was sitting alone in the house. So it felt like it was going to happen to me because it was just like very like an intense thing. So I was like, oh my god. I read like, I think I got about 30-40 pages in and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to stop now because I'm freaking myself out. So yeah, I'm going to carry on reading some more now. It's really, really interesting and it's going to be so beneficial for my case review. So very excited to finish it all off, edit, do some reading, and then I'll probably catch you in the morning. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning everybody. So I've just come back from like an early morning lab thing that I had to do. So we did 3 different types of analysis in the lab today. We basically were gathering information for another piece of coursework that I have due in a couple of months. So we did VSC, Raman spectroscopy and infrared, basically analysing ink and seeing if this document had been altered by a different like type of biro or whatever. I'm not going to talk about it too much because obviously it's for my coursework, but we were working in groups and got all of our notes down, so these lab notes will be really useful for our coursework when we write up our expert witness statements. So that's what I had this morning, which was very beneficial. It went pretty quickly, to be honest. It was only 2 hours, which I didn't think was going to be enough time again, but we finished in good time and everything, so all is good. And now I've got home. I had a bit of a chill downstairs for like a couple of minutes just on the sofa, finished off Holly Boone's podcast because she did one of the PLT podcasts. I've listened to Sophia and Cinzia's, Megan Barton Hanson's and Holly Boone's. I definitely recommend it. If you just want like a chilled podcast to either listen to in the gym, or if you're walking somewhere, like I love listening to podcasts when I go to the gym or when I'm walking to uni because it just like passes the time, and I don't know, I just find it really interesting and much more interesting than music for some reason. Like when I'm walking somewhere, I don't know, it just makes the time go a lot quicker for me. So I've been listening to that. I finished listening to it downstairs, now I'm here. I need to do a lot of bits and pieces today, but I've started to get even worse again, like my throat kills, like I can't stop coughing, like I keep having to pause when vlogging because I'm coughing so much, which is annoying. But I just need to do some like errandy bits today, like I need to put my washing on, I need to clean up downstairs and stuff like that, and then I'll be getting on with some notes, and I think I'm going to organise what I'm going to do in my reading week, because I'm going home for some of it. I'm obviously going up to London as well for some of it to see my boyfriend. I'm also going to meet my manager for the first time, so yeah, it's all fun. I've got my reading week planned in that sense, like I've got all my trains booked, but I need to actually plan all of the work that I need to do, because there are a lot of assignments coming up all in one all at one time, so I feel like I just want to get on it, get everything done, or like halfway done, so that it's like moving, you know, and making sure I'm on top of things. So yeah, I'm going to organise what I'm going to do in my reading week, as well as take some notes, and I think I'm going to do some quizzes and stuff tonight. Oh god, me and Megan have just come back from the gym, and honestly we had a really good workout. I'm literally dripping. We did legs, and honestly so hot. I didn't film in the gym because we were like proper on it, and we wanted to be quite quick because we went a little bit later than usual. So tired. I'm just gonna hop in the shower now and have a nice chilled night in, editing and preparing for tomorrow, because I have a seminar and a lecture. So thank you very much for watching this vlog. Make sure to hit thumbs up if you've enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new. Let me know what you've been up to recently. Are you preparing for anything? Are you currently mid-writing assignments, essays? I've got lots of deadlines coming up, so I'm panicking a lot, but I managed to organise all my time that I'm going to be spending next week during my reading week at home, sorting everything out. So fingers crossed it's all okay. Let me know how you guys are getting on. Thank you for all the support and love on my recent videos, and for congratulating me on getting the trip to Guatemala, because I am honestly buzzing. Like, I can't stop researching about it. I'm just so excited, and loads of my friends and people from forensics I really like are going as well, which is fab. So we're going to all have a great time, and I can't wait to film it all and show everyone like what we get up to and things. I'm just buzzing. Just need to organise my flights and everything now, which I'm quite worried about because it's expensive, but it's fine. I will see you in a new vlog very soon. Bye.